The Singapore business is fully integrated into our global platform, both from the US and UK businesses, helping us with support to grow the business. So helping us staff our projects, giving us the necessary people to be successful and to drive outcomes for our clients. Also, the Singapore office is a key office when we talk to our clients around our global offering, and it's been contributing to some client wins where we're asked to deliver a number of executive search assignments globally. So leveraging our experience here. And thirdly, the office is contributing where we have specific knowledge. So I myself am particularly knowledgeable around the customer and fintech space. So we're also helping with programs of work in Germany, for instance, where we can contribute our knowledge to those customers.